Enjoy your food.
So how to
Cross
do
your
this
leg
kind
to
of
eat.
video
I'm here to help you with easy digestion.
that
Just
your
thank me later.
object will be talking.
Oh no, it's happening again! The steam is everywhere! I can't take this heat!
So let's dive in. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, do your best to subscribe to this channel. You learn everything about digital here. Now you open your Google and you're going to type explore GPT or exploring GPT. It's actually going to give you the explore GPT link. So you click on it and it's going to bring you to this interface. So you're going to click on the first one. So you click on the first one and it takes you to the next interface. So now this is the next interface. So allow it to boot. When it's finished booting, you are going to see the where it said start GPTs, that place. You are going to click on it. So you're going to click on it and you're going to search for object talk. I'm not searching because I already searched for it. Those things that I've searched for, that's what you see on the screen. So you're going to look for object talk, and when you get to object talk, you're going to click on start chat. You click on start chat, and when you click on start chat, it's going to tell you that you should mention what you want to do, like the object you want to talk. So I'm going for cup. At first I wanted to go for cup, so when I projected cup, it brought out other items like ketchup. It brought out other items like cup, like plate, like tea, electric kettle and the like. So I just pick randomly from it. So this one, I'm going to show us there is a difference between when you are doing this one and when you are doing all these fruit in digestion process and the likes. But for now, let's just work on this one. Before the end of this video, I'm going to show us the difference between this one and those digestion and fruit one inside the stomach and the likes. So now this one, you're going to copy each prompt. You're going to copy each prompt. You're going to copy each prompt. Just ensure you copy the prompts carefully. Ensure you copy the prompt carefully. So I copy the text to video and the image to prompt to image and prompt to video. I copy it and I place it. I go to my WhatsApp and I put it on my WhatsApp, like I message myself. So I click it and I wrote play so that I will not forget, because I have other items there too. So you go back again and you copy the next prompt. So I think I have like 3 to 4 items that I copied. So the next one, you open your Chrome browser and you pick whatever you want to pick again. You copy it and you take it to your WhatsApp. That's how you're going to do everything. Okay, this one I copied it one after the other. I copied the image to video and I copied the text to the prompt to image, text to image, and I copied the text to video. This is the image that you're going to use to create the video, so to make your work easier. Now you wait for it to boot and you copy your video prompt. But when you are doing this, please be very careful. You know that each object has their function, so that you're not going to copy another object text to video for another image. So always enjoy you check what you are copying very well, and you can put it on your WhatsApp, you can put it on WPS, you can put it on wherever you think you'll be able to copy your prompt from. So now let's go to Chrome. I want to show us something. When you get to Chrome and you have so much work you are doing at the same time, you see the upper part that is 32, that the row 32 or exact box. Just click on it in case you have so many work that you are doing on Chrome at the same time. You know, when you put it on web desktop mode, so this is one of the advantage. So that's it by it. So now let's continue what we are doing. We go back to our WhatsApp and you are going to click on the plate 3Ds rendered, the plate that is talking. Now we want to do a plate talking. So you open your Grok AI and the first you go to imagine. You go to imagine and you put in the prompt for the. When you click on imagine, ensure you click on image, then you put in the prompt. The thing I like about, you remove the video part of it because we're not talking about the video for now. So the thing I like about Grok, it can render so many images for you to choose. You're going to choose out of abundance. You won't manage to choose pictures. So you can pick whichever pictures that you want to pick. Just ensure you stay in a place that has a very good network so that you can see all those all those images. So me, I just hurriedly picked this one because of time. So I pick it and I went back to the okay. I went to make video and it's asking me, should I do it for you? Should I customize? I want to customize. So I click on the customize, I paste my prompt and the video is generating. So this is it. So let's see what we are going to have. So as I place it, I look at my prompt and I realize that there is no like, let the plate talk, let it lip sync, proper hand movement. So I was trying to put it. But this to show us that AI had been so advanced that they get things even from air picture. You see the object is talking with proper lip syncing and the likes, even without me not putting it. So I was able to get it. So you can see our plate talking. So that's it. And you're going to download, ensure you download and continue what you are doing. So I think I now, the other one that I mentioned, let the play talk, let it appropriate body movement, it was still almost the same thing. It just that the hand change a bit, and that's all, and that's it. So now you can use this. Please no, this is not just for your play to talk and for the fun of it. You can use it to advertise your business. You can use it to advertise as many things as possible around you. You can use it to do so many things. That kind of plate can still show that okay, this person is selling this and show the item, because maximize AI tools beyond just what everybody is doing. As I said, maximize AI tools beyond what everybody is doing. So this is ketchup. Let's copy the ketchup. Let's copy the ketchup and go to Grok AI. So you go to imagine and you click on, you paste your prompts for the image, then you upload it. So you send it and the Grok will help you process it. So the Grok is processing it now. Let's see what we have. So it's taking its time to work on our ketchup that can talk. So this is it. As I'm saying, don't just do this for the fun of it. Look at how you can use this and maximize it to do so many things. It's not only for the fun of it. Yes, so but for people who want to grow their social media pages, of course you can always use this kind of viral video to boost your social media pages and get more audience. So now we are trying to okay, this one I said the AI too should do it on its own. I said Grok, I did not give any prompt. I want Grok to do what it can do. So it's working on it, it's working on our video. So let's see what we have. Now let's see what we have. Okay. This is really funny. So this is really funny. Okay, now when I realize I now pasted my prompt, and you're going to see that Grok work in line with whatever is going on. Since I pasted it this way, so the next one is going to do is almost related to what the first result we get. And that's why if you want to get the same voice over using Grok, just ensure it's the same line, like ensure that it's still the same, you're still on the same line, like you continue the video just the way we continue here. If you want your character to have the same voiceover, just continue the video, don't stop it, and we are going to get almost the same thing. So I uploaded a new image again. I uploaded a new image from that I saved and I uploaded it to Grok. You know, this time around it's going to give me different style because I've started a new video. If I'm still under that same video, it's still going to give me something similar to that kind of charisma. If it is voice, it's going to give me something similar to that voice. So that's how Grok work. So let's see now. We are generating our video and you are going to see the difference between that one and this one. So let's see. But you know, the prompt is still something very funny and interesting. So you see that this one come out in a bit different format, but almost in line with our prompts. All these videos are very funny and they are viral hooks. They call them viral hooks for anybody going into content creation. Even if you are not going to content creation, this kind of video, the bottle can be larger than that and wear anything you want the bottle to wear, the logo of your company, and talk about your company. Just imagine that kind of advert. So now let's go to talking food talking food digestion. You know this one now, some you see some videos, some people will be using orange will be walking inside the stomach and the stomach will be moving and the likes. So it's almost related to this. Now I use orange. ChatGPT gave me banana, but I said I prefer orange, maybe because I like orange. So now there is difference between this and that one, and I want you to listen attentively. There is difference between this and that, and the other one we did. This one now is going to talk about how the stomach is moving and even the object moving inside the stomach to talk. Now it's orange that will be talking this time around, and it explains how it's going to do the prompt in case I want to add anything or remove anything. But I said confirm, just continue. This is just tutorial. You can always suit yourself and tell your ChatGPT what you want. So it now gave me the background, the master prompt that will be the base for all scenes. So when you are doing this one, you copy this general prompt, you can paste it in your WPS or WhatsApp. Then you're going to add the scene, each scene. You make it the first one, then you add each scene to this. When it's come to text to image, that's how you're going to generate all your image. First scene, you're going to, that general prompt, you copy this first scene, you copy it, that general prompt, you put it somewhere, you add the first scene to it. Second one, you copy the general prompt, you add the text to image. So you can always come back here to copy your video, but ensure, because you're not going to drop only this first one. No, you are going to put the two together, that general prompt and that each scene. So you see the way okay, so because of time I did not show the way I did it, but you go to your Grok and you add everything together. I can just show you as a picture how we add the two together. Then you bring in the second one, you bring this the second one, now you're going to add the second scene. You see that we've added it, we add the second scene before you continue. That's how we are going to do all our text to image, so that we can get appropriate results. Okay, I did it here so that you can understand what I'm saying. You add the first scene, the general prompt, and you add the first scene. You add the general prompt and you add the second scene to get your second image. So this one I generated it from Grok AI. You see, is a bit neater and a bit more composed. But still the one I generated with Grok is still very fine, and I actually prefer the environment, but it's a bit funny. It's more funny, but the two are very, very nice.